picked up some tracks for the Duty.
So we're gonna try and put these things on the Ford here. Hopefully that just bolts right onto the hub. And we got this thing that bolts to the frame. Stop it from tilting forward and backward too much. It's the rear one, the front one. Give this a whirl. So I need to plumb in there to get some hydraulic pressure on the tensioners, so it keeps them tensioned up. But I'll let you know how she goes. Right, so this tracks come off of a Duramax or Chevy. Put some wheel spacers in there and adapters, make it fit from Ford. Go to Chevy. Got the rear ones installed here. I didn't put any of the bracing in yet. They're just bolted on. Still got that to do, but I'll put that in another video. I got my tracks half-ass on. Definitely sits a little higher now.